Pure adjectives. Adjectives are called pure adjectives when they are found in the dictionary as a word with only one meaning or part of speech. Let's look at some examples of pure adjectives in sentences. My soft scarf keeps me warm. Soft is the pure adjective. The little kitten is asleep in the corner. Little is the pure adjective. My mother makes the best sweetbread. Sweet is the pure adjective. Each of these pure adjectives, soft, little, and sweet, are words that only have one meaning or part of speech. Derived adjectives. On the other hand, some adjectives are called derived adjectives when they come from other root words. Let's look at a couple of examples. The sleepy student tried to pay attention during class. Sleepy is the derived adjective in this sentence. Note that the word sleepy comes from the verb sleep and changes the adjective meaning to someone who wants to sleep. A careful driver always pays attention. Careful is the derived adjective in this sentence and comes from the noun or verb care. We know the expression take care or have care for something. Someone who is careful does just that. Careful is an example of an adjective that is formed by adding the full suffix to the base care. Structure. Adjectives before nouns. Most of the time, adjectives come immediately before a noun. For example, Lizzie decided that the green bun would make an unappetizing burger. Green and unappetizing are the adjectives in this sentence and come before the nouns bun and burger. Hungry aliens ran into the diner and ordered milkshakes. In this sentence, hungry is the adjective that comes before the noun aliens. Note that there can be more than one adjective in a sentence, like in the first example. There can even be more than one adjective describing a noun, which we'll look at later. Also remember that adjective and noun combinations can come before or after the verb in a sentence. Structure. Adjectives after nouns. Adjectives can sometimes come immediately after a noun. Let's look at a few examples. Let's go somewhere quiet. Quiet is the adjective that comes after the noun somewhere. Tell me something interesting. Interesting is the adjective that comes after the noun something. They were the only seats available. In this last example, there are two adjectives modifying the same noun. Only and available both describe the noun seats. Qualitative adjectives. Adjectives can be qualitative when they deal with the characteristics of people or objects. For example, my sister is beautiful. There are boring people in my classroom. And these pickles are so sour. In the first and last examples, the adjectives come after the be verb and modify the subjects. In the first sentence, the adjective beautiful comes after the be verb is and modifies the subject sister. In the last example, the adjective sour comes after the be verb are and modifies the subject pickles. In the second example, boring modifies the subject people.